Everyday phrasal verbs. Talk like a native. Hang out. Meaning, spend time casually. I'm just gonna hang out with some friends tonight. We used to hang out at that cafe after class. Run into. Meaning, meet someone unexpectedly. I ran into my old teacher at the mall. You'll never believe who I ran into yesterday. Figure out. Meaning, understand or solve something. I can't figure out how this app works. Give me a mind tile, figure it out. Cut off. Meaning, interrupt someone. Sorry, you got cut off. What were you saying? He cut me off while I was talking. Pick up. Meaning, collect someone, something. Also, casually, learn something. Can you pick me up from the airport? I picked up some Spanish while traveling. Drop by. Meaning, visit casually without much planning. Feel free to drop by anytime. I dropped by our house after work. Put off. Meaning, delay or postpone something. I keep putting off my homework. They put off the trip because of the weather. Give up. Meaning, stop trying. Don't give up so easily. He gave up learning guitar after a month. Turn up. Meaning, appear or arrive, often unexpectedly. He turned up late to the meeting. Something interesting always turns up. Call off. Meaning, cancel something. They called off the meeting at the last minute. The game was called off because of rain.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something new today. Now click on these two videos on the screen to keep improving your English. I'll see you there. Bye.